but ISHRAE is a national standards. It is a class B, ISHRAE class B. So as per ISHRAE class B, Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating, Air Conditioning Engineer class B, so we have to maintain the temperature, so we have to maintain the CO2 level 500 plus ambient CO2 level. Okay, 500 plus ambient CO2 level. For example, in ambient you are measuring the ambient CO2 is 500, and 500 plus 500 what? It is 1000. So 1000 is your maximum threshold limit as per class B, ISHRAE class B standard. In other cases, in your ambient CO2 level, it is 800 ppm, and you have to add 500. So what is the maximum value? It is coming 1300 ppm. So 1300 ppm, it is the maximum limit, maximum acceptable limit. So between case 1 and case 2, the threshold limit will get changed based on the ambient CO2. So there is no such threshold minimum maximum value. It is purely based on the ambient CO2. Why? Because we are taking a fresh air, okay, from the ambient. So whenever our temperature, whenever our CO2 is getting higher, so then only the sensor will sense, and based on that the damper will modulate, and they will allow the fresh air inside to your workstation in order to compensate, in order to maintain that CO2 level which you are going to maintain in the workstation. Okay, so in this case, if somebody is asking me, definitely I can say that okay, this is the standard, this is not company standard, this is a ISHRAE class B standard. Based on ISHRAE class B standard, and we are maintaining the CO2 level 500 plus ambient CO2 level, that is the maximum threshold limit. Okay, so this is the task for you. So in your organization, what are the what standard you are referring for CO2, and if you know the standard, and you just do mention in the command box, so that other also will go through the command and they will come to know, okay, these numbers of standards are there in the is there and it is exist in the system, and people are maintaining the CO2 level based on the standard like that. Okay, so from this video, I assume that you are going to you take some knowledge from this video, and really, if it is very useful video, please do react with like button or otherwise dislike button, and to comment to in our queries. If you have any queries, do react, put in the comment section to address it as early as possible. Okay, so thank you. So we will see you in the next video. Bye.